Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another week of lunch video. Today is Monday. I skipped 2 weeks because my videos are not doing so well, and when they're not doing so well, I try not to make them because it's a lot. It takes a lot to make these videos and to edit and upload, and then for them not to do well. So let's try it again, and if it doesn't do so well, then I'm gonna give up on lunch videos. But anywho, I asked you guys in the comment section to give ideas on what you would like to see in the children's lunches, and I went through and I picked a few and I mix and match. So if you see something here, it's because of you. So I try not to let anyone feel left out. So I did this for a chicken sandwich. I'm gonna put your name on here, whoever recommended chicken, any type of chicken. I'm gonna put your name on here. So I did this. This is his first time. It's breaded chicken sandwich, and I just heated it up and put it in foil paper so that it will stay a little warm for when they get to it. Hopefully it's not too soggy. Someone recommended applesauce, I believe, so that's what they're gonna have. And then someone also recommended cookie and chips, and then they have their mandarin orange here, and then they like taco sauce. There's this place where we live that makes taco pizza, and they give these out. So I have a ton of them, and the kids like them on their sandwiches. So that's what that is. So I will see you guys after school today. Have a good day, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. I'm doing so horrible when it comes to what they ate after school. It just gets busy in the evening, so I will try my best. Today they're having corn. You can tell I'm Jamaican. Who said corn? Corn dog. They're having corn dogs today, and I try to see if I could pick items from you guys' list. So if you see an item here that you recognize, I'll put your name across the screen. A few of you might get chosen several times, but we have corn dog too, and carrots, chips, some chipotle ranch here for Destiny's carrot. She doesn't like ketchup, so I didn't give her any ketchup for her corn dog. And then she has a nutter butter. Is this nutter butter? It's a peanut butter covered wafer. It's a situation that I can't explain. This is whole milk yogurt. This is the vanilla flavor. Her spoon. Well, that's actually Maddie's spoon. And then Jackson has the same thing, except he wanted ketchup to go with his corn dog, so that's what he got. And he has the same thing. So I will try to do after school today. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. And if you are going to school, I hope you have a good day at school. If you're going to work, have an amazing day at work. And I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, it's after school. This is what Destiny did. She brought her carrot back because she claims she wants to eat it. Right now, where's Jackson? Jackson, where's your lunch? And then we're waiting on Mr. Jackson. How was it?
Good. I only ate the corn dogs and...
You only ate the corn dog, nothing else?
I ate the yogurt.
The yogurt?
And I ate the chips.
And the chips?
Yeah.
You didn't do the ketchup?
Huh? I did do the ketchup.
Oh, okay. Okay. You didn't eat your carrots?
No.
Alright, you're going to have that for your snack.
Yeah.
Alright. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and the children are gonna have a bean burrito. Bean burrito. I just heated it up and put it in foil paper to keep it a little warm. Some mini pretzel, frozen grapes, mandarin orange, a yogurt, and Jackson's gonna have two snickerdoodle cookies, his fork. And I'm running out of food, so I have to stop by the grocery store today, which is so sad. Destiny is having, it's not sad, but I don't like to go I don't like to stop for grocery in the middle of the week. It's just a pet peeve of mine. I just don't like it. Bean burrito. Why can't I say that correctly? Bean burrito, pretzel, frozen grapes, mandarin orange. I didn't peel her because she's a big girl and she should be able to. She should be able to peel her own mandarin orange. And then she has her yogurt, which I thought it felt a little puffy. Simple Man's is not good. It feels a little puffy. Okay. Hopefully it's still good, like versus this one. This one is flat. Okay, and then she's gonna have another butter and her spork, and we'll see you guys for after school what they ate. Okay guys, so it's after school on Wednesday. This is Jackson. He said his yogurt was leaking. So I made a mess in his bag. Yeah, so I have to clean that up. Remember I was pressing on the yogurts and trying to figure out why I took one of the top was flatter than the other one. So he said the yogurt got all over his pretzel and he didn't eat his fruit. He had a sandwich and his cookie. So this is Destiny, and I think she already put her stuff away. This B. Yep. She ate everything. So I will see you guys. Tomorrow's what? Thursday? I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Good morning guys. Today is Thursday. We're getting closer and closer to Friday, and I don't know. I feel like my lunches are starting to get a little boring because I do give my kids the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. So if they're boring, please feel free. I can't talk today. Feel free to not watch if they're boring, okay? We have a turkey sandwich here. It's just turkey, cheese, and bread. And I wrote Jackson's name on it because I was like, it looked a little boring. I have some chipotle ranch for his cucumber. We have some chips, Frito chips, corn chips. A thing of fruit cup, his spoon, and that's it. Justin's having the same thing. He water, and he brought his water over. So I will see you guys after school today. Okay guys, it's after school. Come on, my hands up in painting. This is Jackson. He brought back his Frito, and this is Destiny. And
yeah, I get to eat free.
You get to eat your Fritos.
Fried toast. Yay.
Fried toast.
They're fried toast.
Fried toast.
I made them.
Everything is gone.
These.
Good job, Destiny. Was it good?
Yes.
Yes. So, I will see you guys tomorrow, guys. Today is Friday. Today's an early day, so I have you guys name the sandwich, and whoever I picked, the name is going to be across the screen. This is just bread, turkey, cream cheese, put in a waffle maker to get the shape, some Big Dipper, tangerine, fruit cup. This is redundant. Same thing over here for this little guy, but he's having a applesauce. I feel like I'm giving him less and less food these days. I don't know, does it? They all have their spoon and they get ready to get their water. I hope you guys are having an amazing Friday because I'm excited that it's Friday. Happy Friday to everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you guys after school for what they ate. Bye guys. Okay, so it's after school on Friday. I'm cleaning my kitchen. Is this Destiny? Yep, that's Destiny. And this is Jackson. Yep, pretty good. Was this today? I didn't give him this today. I gave him a bread container. Where is it? Why is this here? Okay, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.